Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp unable to start restoring your message history backup. Please check that you are connected to internet and try again problem on WhatsApp. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap on WhatsApp apps. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again tap on clear data. Click on clear cache data on WhatsApp app. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Click on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Click on reset Wi-Fi or mobile network. Click on reset setting. You can reset your mobile network connection. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search WhatsApp apps. Update your WhatsApp application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix WhatsApp unable to start restoring your message history backup problem on WhatsApp. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.